The program see the waka they go, the program and Good Morning Naija. I can't never go that they warn you, they draw your ear all the time. Oh, the way they call that name, nobody you give me that name. Oh, Thomas Sado, they call her like that. Benin man, basically say a day for village and everything. A Thomas because that Benin man go only put A before go put the main thing there. For time when we say nothing, we see what we say they happen. Drama they go back and forth over CSU, Chicago State University. And qualification or paper or documents them or credentials them of when it be say President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to go that school. Now be the matter when we say day for grants. People they throw the matter, they go back and forth and everything. We no can understand what it be. So person when we say go make us get small meaning or go make us get meaning out of this whole matter. Now we go bring and come make it tell us how it be for matter when we say concern law. Barrister former yes, I don't forget to call her. Former MBA chairman for Benin branch here, where they call Lions House.
Lion Bar.
Okay, the Lion Bar. If you go there, only lion, they go that bar, go drink. Eddie Asanogwa, I get you welcome to.
Good morning.
Thank you. The matter so big, so that me and Hilary or Diana we dey here to take this matter. But before we say Hilary, go ask the question. Even if you never tell you say good morning, I tell you good morning again for Hilary on behalf of Hilary.
I did hear why you say that. You tell them good morning.
Well, let me go out now. They look at that. And little time no good. I want to go find out from you, my brother. What thing be this matter when it concerns say Chicago State University credentials, no Chicago State University credentials? How it take affect the matter where they say they for case or they for court between Atiku Abubakar and Bola Ahmed Tinubu?
Well, the matter be say, say after our election, the law allow every aggrieved person, candidate or political party to challenge the election or the declaration of a candidate in that election. Everybody knows, say, after our February 25th election, some candidates and their political parties,
they're not happy with the results.
They now went to court to go challenge the declaration of the present President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The law put down for grounds, say, the kind of grounds where you go take challenge election of the person. One of them be say the person as at the time where it take participate for that election, not they qualified to contest. And the Constitution too has laid down conditions for qualification. Part of which you must submit your educational qualification in terms of credentials and certificates and all of that. Wetin come bring the Chicago matter? We say president for the form we submit to INEC put say in finish from Chicago State University. Now that document now in submit give INEC. And then Benin said they know they mind waiting they take keep person anymore.
But the enemy died.
So those way go court, they look for all the maggi, the pepper,
they put for the soup to make
for inside the soup. We go make the soup sweet. Where the court go talk say okay, wait you now talk now true. This person not actually qualify to contest. Not to talk of say he can win, and then they will now disqualify the person, and then maybe declare another person. So it is in respect of that, one of the presidential candidates, Atiku Abubakar, the former vice president, can't go get the documents where president submit to INEC. Can't say this one not be correct document. Okay. And to prove say certificates where you get from a school not be genuine, not be your mouth you go take talk, not be eye you go take look the paper. It is only the issuing institution, the school where issue that certificate to you, now then go fit come talk. Say this certificate, this one not be our own, or this not be we give this one, or this person not go our school. So to be able to do that, now Atiku go the school. Say, I want Bola Ahmed Tinubu certificate and credentials. Of course, the school were not quite readily willing to give those documents. And of course, in Congo court, make court compel
the school, may force them to bring
out all the documents where he wants, because he need them. The first lower court granted it, and then before them go say me then give them, TINUBU and people come appeal. Say no, not give them. Now my personal this thing is confidential, is this and is that, and if you not release them, what if it happen? That one to that court constantly hear the matter, and the court now still said no, they should give it, and not just give it, make una depose to affidavit to confirm wetin una
they give.
Okay, but Barrister, make I stop you there. Where we dey now, all the credentials, the certificate, everything done, dey the hand of the person we want time. Which sense this one go make? Knowing fully well say the result issue na pre-election.
No, you dey talk that one so.
Okay. Some people say na pre-election issue, na pre-election matter. So they first present this new evidence inside the upper court,
especially Matthew Atejon, especially when BC they talk and say if you go court, we just they ask you, if you go court, they give you judgment. You know, like the judgment, you go court. This not that's a judgment. Then you go appeal. So then they bring it to like fresh evidence.
Fresh evidence.
The thing get many legs.
Because nothing a lawyer matter, I guess they be.
First, the certificate where they don't bring, where they give article. In terms of election petition, it may be very difficult for him to use them for Supreme Court.
Okay.
The possibility is almost nil.
Okay.
The reason be say for election matters in law we say they are sui generis. They get their special rules where they guide them, and most of those rules were made in for the purpose of expediting the hearing
to make them fast.
So the law can talk say if you dey challenge election, you must file that election within 21 days from the declaration of the result. Now, the ones where we they do, once you don't file, you must put everything where you get. Because by the rules, you are not even allowed to come and amend. Okay. I be talk say na this one you go. I mistake. I want amend down. Okay. Election petition cases not be like that.
Okay.
But in the normal civil cases, you can amend anytime, as many times, even before judgment.
Okay.
The law, the rule allows you to make such amendment. But in election cases, it's not like that. There are some mistakes you will just make, and it will become fatal. You understand? Because once you try to amend them, you want to bring them inside. If you do that within that 21 days, if it work. But once that 21 days don't come out, you want to introduce fresh facts, new evidence, need to amend what you talked before under electoral procedure. They have.
They could go one language and they say it's status bad or something. I don't know.
Well, if you say it's status bad,
I don't know. I mean, different grammar there for the mouth.
A different one. But the point is that on appeal now, if to say a normal civil this thing, you can raise fresh matter for Supreme Court for the first time.
Okay.
If na normal civil thing, particularly, but on the issue of qualification, if you say na pre-election matter, the only person wey fit raise if you say now the only person wey fit raise am at a pre-election level na the same candidate or aspirant for that same party.
Okay.
If they bring am at that time, because there are some matters wey be both pre-election and post-election. Okay. The constitution is very clear. If you dey challenge somebody and you say as at the time of the election he was not qualified, that one na post-election matter. But if I be aspirant, man, TINUBU for instance, now he run for
the election,
the primaries for him party.
Okay, for him party, okay.
Then they can't say, okay, this one. I feel still challenge and say, oh, see, as a pre-election matter. Okay. But me not fit cross my party. Okay. The document we give you for the party or we tell them you not qualify and all that. That will not fly. So based on those documents, he may not be able to use it at the Supreme Court
if
at
they
this
get
stage, because the Supreme Court at this stage is an appellate court of an election.
So now be a court of appeal.
Exactly.
Okay.
So
the way the matter come be now, people come to see they ask the question. Musa say, "Do nice make I ask you this question." Come to say, why he can't they go court now? What he come? The say want to gain when BCA say they make and they go court.
No, it's very important for me. I believe on this issue, Atiku Abubakar should be commended. For Nigerians, we have a right to know who our president is.
They bring the grammar come down.
We get right to
know who our president be.
The kind person
when our president be.
Where our president be. News there everywhere.
Go school, not go school.
Forfeit money. You not be TINUBU. Now another person get that.
Woman be TINUBU.
Go school. So many issues surrounding the person. Now we need to know. If these things are true, we need to know. It may not even be really, like I said now, if you not feel use them for this election. But if you go into the electoral law, the law says if you don't present forged or falsified documents to INEC before, you are disqualified from contesting election. Okay. So it may affect him.
If they come for second term.
If they come for second term.
The way things they be for our judicial system, when it be like some people get the belief, say, judiciary, they don't get the way it be. According to now, I'm going to say it has been compromised to an extent, especially when we say we call it that Bukachua issue. You know, if you say go there, okay, say every matter when we say it gets to do with election, maybe the finish and fair before we say they swear the person in.
You know, yes, it will be nice, but the way our laws they structured now,
they need to go fair amend the law first.
We need to look at that law. For me as a person, me they propose. Say, you know, if you they come do election case, the law say you where they say this person don't win, you where they say they not do the election well. Now you go come prove.
Okay.
That burden is too tasking.
Okay.
If you look some of the things, for instance, presidential election now, you say you read the election here, they not do election here, they not do this one here. The law expects you, may you go from word to unit self, not even word, unit to come the show. In a presidential election, you know how many units in Nigeria? So for the law will tell you, say, you must show how, say, it affects them substantially.
Okay, maybe you always say
maybe if you want count units now, units they go like almost 200, 300,000. Then you can't bring two. Don't tell you say this one not substantial.
Not substantial.
So before you are, so the task is so much. For me, my proposal is we must begin to look at our laws. Say, once they say this election, they're not doing and they're not doing well. Not be you wait talk I'm supposed to prove it.
The law.
Like INEC.
Go prove it.
INEC come prove say the way when the law say we take do this election. Now so we take do
it. Before we go come out here now, what you want to make it be say yes, we take home out of this matter.
You see, for me,
quick talk 30 seconds.
Me, it's a sad thing, very sad that Nigeria we get this kind of matter. They get this kind of matter now, national and international embarrassment. You know, we not even they take them as serious as they take them for US with the university, because it don't show so many issues. Say it be like say their own certificate get as a B. And we here we just think say nothing. It's like we I don't even know how to take talk.
I think this is not how to talk. Since you don't know how to talk.
Nigeria they get this kind image.
No wahala. Since you don't know how to talk on behalf of my brother Ekanem for Abuja. Thank you so much, Victor Rio and Hilary Odia Nusa, Barrister Ede Asenogwan. Thank you so much. When we say yes, you can't take help us. You just like say the road to reach Abuja no clear just now. So the road not too clear for you to reach here earlier than if not for talk the matter. Well. Until next week, we will say again. My name is Thomas Ado. I say good morning.